Welcome to Trio. Trio was created for real estate agents that are looking to increase their sales immediately. Trio is preloaded with messages, surveys, and email campaigns for all types of real estate contacts. Whether it's communicating to home sellers, home buyers, business to business, or your sphere of influence, Trio will help you convert more leads into appointments and appointments into closings. This simple-to-use app combines a powerful CRM with pre-written messages and real-world real estate coaching to help you convert more business. In fact, the average Trio user gets 3 or more clients in their first 30 days, and so can you.
I'm going to walk you through how to use Trio app specifically in a neighborhood prospecting situation. Let's assume you attended an open house, and in the open house, somebody from your neighborhood came in and viewed the home because they're thinking about selling in the future. Now, you want to have an opportunity to educate them and to create curiosity so they consider you as their agent. So start by going to your resource section in your Trio app. Click on Home Sellers, Neighborhood, Connect. Now, we're going to invite them to fill out a 1-minute survey. The survey is specifically designed to ask them questions that are going to open up more curiosity about the home selling situation. If you're sending it to for sale by owners, the questions are going to be specific to the needs of a for sale by owner. Expireds and first-time buyers and move-up buyers. Each survey is customized for their specific situation. Here is an example of our neighborhood survey. Just simply says, can I ask you a quick favor? Would you be so kind to give us the answers to some basic questions below? Before they click submit, we ask them to fill out their information, their first name, last name, email address, phone number, and in some cases, we will ask for the address depending on the lead source. The great thing about the Trio app is as soon as they respond to this, you're going to be notified in both the Trio app and by email. You'll get an opportunity to review their survey answers and to look for ways to educate them or support them to help them get them what they want. For additional help on this, you can see the specific coaching tips for the specific type of seller or buyer you're dealing with. And lastly, you have an opportunity to send them an intro video. Each video is customized for the specific type of client we're reaching out to. For neighborhoods, we have a neighborhood intro video that says 10 things you should do before you even consider selling your home. These videos begin with removing clutter, cleaning your home, freshening up the front yard, touch up the paint and the woodwork, install new caulk and fresh grout, change the furnace filter and wipe down the utilities, wipe down doors and polish door handles, talk to a CPA, estimate your net proceeds and get qualified, and lastly, hire the right agent. At the end of the video, they're going to be asked to contact the agent that sent them this video. If you filled out your Calendly account, they'll actually be able to schedule a meeting with you directly through your Calendly. Otherwise, they will be prompted with your phone number and email address to contact you directly. Let's take a look at how the results will show up. From the task screen, you'll see at the top the notification section. Click there. Then you'll see the responses to your surveys or if somebody had watched your video.